Smoky Quartz is one of the best grounding stones. Smoky Quartz is an excellent crystal to have in your home or to carry with you throughout the day because it helps to relieve fear, dissipate nervousness, as well as anxiety, and it can even help with depression. Dream Amethyst is a great stone for relieving tension. It has a powerful and focused energy that helps to dissipate and repel negative energy. It helps to promote self-growth and development, inspiring you to move towards your spiritual growth and achieve your highest potential. Lapis Lazuli is a beautiful blue stone that helps to ease depression and anxiety as well because it harmonizes all aspects of self. It helps to release stress and bring deep peace, as well as being great for achieving deep and peaceful sleep. It's excellent for gaining spiritual insight and wisdom and activating your personal power and your inner truth. It also helps to block any negative energy attacks and promotes protection and safety. Green fluorite is great for helping you to stay focused and completing tasks. It can help you to clear your mind and enhance personal growth and insight. Sodalite is an excellent stone for the mind, eliminating mental confusion. It is good for calming and self-esteem, as well as mental balance. It helps with inadequacy, fear, and oversensitivity. It helps to bring about an emotional balance, inner peace, and it helps to calm panic attacks. It is an effective stone that helps to end arguments and disagreements. Green aventurine is one of the luckiest crystals. It's perfect for manifesting prosperity and wealth. Its lucky energy is said to boost your chances or odds in any situation. It's a quartz variety with mica that gives the crystal a speckled or sparkled effect. It's great for creativity, leadership, motivation, speed, and fast reactions. Amethyst helps to enhance spiritual awareness. Amethyst is a crystal that is beneficial to the mind, clearing negativity and confusion by balancing out the highs and the lows and promoting emotional centering. It helps with decision-making, negotiation skills, wealth, business success, and moving forward in life, as well as dealing with responsibility and change. It's also great for public speaking. Citrine is wonderful for self-esteem and confidence. It helps you in protecting yourself from things that aren't in your best interest. It also helps you in standing up for yourself in what you believe in, whilst giving you the boost you need to speak your truth. Since it's very energizing, it helps you to get motivated and enhances creativity and problem solving. It also promotes joy and helps you to release fear and anger, allowing for more positivity to enter into your life. It will also help you to get in touch with your emotions so that you can healthily express them. Howlite is a good stone for action, calm communication, discernment, memory, and study. It helps you to reach your goals, and it's a great stone to help combat boisterousness, selfishness, and vulgarity. A ruby inzoisite is a great stone for balancing the emotions and for helping heal heartache as well. It's also a great stone for altered states to access and integrate spiritual wisdom. It helps you to gain individuality whilst still remaining connected to others. Angel Aura Quartz can help to facilitate deeper and higher levels of meditation. It is a peaceful and tranquil crystal useful for communication with angels, spirit guides, and other higher realm teachers. Labradorite helps to balance the emotions and the chakras, as well as the subconscious and conscious mind. It helps to protect the aura by creating a strong shield or barrier around the person. It protects you from the projections and judgments coming from others, and it gives you the strength and the wisdom to help see you through transformational periods. Dalmatian jasper is a stone that's great for learning and helping you to achieve your goals. It's good for relationships as well and letting go of the past. Clear quartz is an excellent crystal for mental and emotional clarity and focus. If you need to center on a specific task, clear quartz will help you to clear your mind so that you can maintain concentration and laser focus. Rhodonite is a stone of forgiveness and compassion. Considered the rescue stone, it carries a powerful vibration that releases fear and can help with relationship problems. Sandstone is good for creativity and relationships. It can help easily distracted people clear their mind and focus on a task. It's great when used in groups. It's called the stone of creativity as it blends multiple elements including air, wind, fire, water, and earth to form. Rose quartz helps to balance the heart with its gentle yet powerful, loving, and peaceful energy. This rose-colored stone not only assists in balancing the physical heart, but the emotional aspects of ourselves, including matters of the heart as well. Amazonite helps to ease stress, nervousness, anxiety, and panic attacks. It also helps to calm an overthinking mind. It will soothe and calm your nerves to help you think more clearly and feel more peaceful. Tiger's Eye is excellent for grounding, for protection, and for security. It inspires courage and motivation to go after your dreams. It can also help you to relieve depression and anxiety, helping you to see more clearly. Tiger's Eye is also effective in releasing worry and inner turmoil. Charoite is a unique-looking stone of beautiful purple color. This violet crystal is often found with quartz with manganese inclusions, and it's a wonderful stone for developing your intuition and gaining in awareness. Opalite is an intuitive, magical, and spiritual stone that's great for meditation and connecting to the spiritual realms. Its energy grabs you and helps to pull your energy towards the Earth's core so that you can stay more focused and overcome distractions. Red jasper is a powerful stone of protection and stability. It inspires a positive attitude, helping you to increase your energy levels and motivation, and it helps to encourage you to take action in your life and work towards your dreams. Okay, so all of the crystals that we have recently talked about are included in our brand new 50 crystal gridding kit. This is probably our best priced, most phenomenal deal that we've ever offered, and we have offered some amazing deals. So you will definitely want to check out our 50 crystal gridding kit. You can choose your own center stone from mini generator to large generator to rough tourmaline to a crystal sphere that is of scrying caliber. I hope you enjoy this set. I'm super excited to be announcing it and to be releasing it.